In this video, we are going to see the formula for 2 tan inverse x, but not in the term of sine inverse as we had seen in the previous video, but in the terms of cos inverse. I again repeat that these are not the questions as such, but are formulas only, and we are taking these up in the form of questions so you understand them properly. Right, let's get started and see what the question has to say. It is a proof question. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, wherein the x has a condition that it should be greater than equal to 0. That means it cannot be negative. Let's get started. 2 tan inverse x is in the left hand side. Let's not take the left hand side now. First, let's go to the right hand side. I put the heading RHS. RHS is what? It is right hand side. Repeating the earlier things by writing them all over again. This is what my RHS has to say. Now, let me change this x. Let me substitute the x for something else. Let x is equal to tan theta. If x is equal to tan theta, what do we have? We have cos inverse changed to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Right? That means x is equal to tan theta, so you substituted the values. Now, what is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? As in the junior class of class 11th, we already studied that this is a formula of cos 2 theta. So, I substitute cos 2 theta. Now, cos inverse and cos nullify each other. What is remaining? We are left with 2 theta. And what was theta? Can we find out theta from this step? If x is equal to tan theta, I have theta is equal to tan inverse of x. And if theta is equal to tan inverse of x, which is equation number 1, I substitute the value of theta as tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x becomes from 1. And when 2 tan inverse x has already occurred, that was my LHS, and hence LHS is equal to RHS, and hence it is verified. So, in this video we saw the proof of 2 tan inverse x in the form of cos inverse. The formula is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Let me repeat it again. We only did what? We substituted x is equal to tan theta, went about solving using the formula of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. I write it formula again so that those people who don't know it may know now that this was a formula only. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is what? It is cos 2 theta. Enclosed in a bracket is the formula that we used for your convenience. Substituted, cos inverse, cos nullified, 2 theta remaining. Theta is what? Tan inverse x.